Welcome back to Overheat, the exterior design of the 2026 Mercedes Benz GLE Motorhome. Reputable GLE Base, the base model will continue to feature the sporty and upscale features of the 2026 Mercedes Benz GLE. Integration of the Motorhome Module. To create living space, the back of the car will be enlarged and altered. The body design seamlessly incorporates RV windows. Paint and wheel options. To complement Mercedes-Benz's opulent image, premium paint options and chic big alloy wheels will be offered. Additional external features include a fresh water filling port, external power connections, an integrated electrically retractable awning, and access to external storage. Interior and layout. There will be highly ergonomic driver and front passenger chairs, maybe with massaging, heating, and cooling capabilities. When parked, they will probably flip back to become a part of the living room. Distronic Plus, lane keeping assist, blind spot assist, and level 2++ autonomous driving are examples of advanced driver assistance technologies ADAS that will be commonplace. Comfortable sitting with tables that fold or lift, possibly arranged in an L shape or with two seats facing one another. The use of premium materials like Nappa leather, genuine wood trim, or metallic accents will be prevalent. Various ambiances can be produced using adjustable LED ambient lighting. A cozy mattress made of high-quality materials. Small but practical, it has a sink, a mini fridge, a small induction or single two-burner gas stove, and maybe a microwave. Clever grocery and utensil storage. The interior is intelligently designed with a variety of drawers, cabinets, and storage sections. Drivetrain and Performance options for hybrid engines in light of current automotive trends. The 2026 GLE is anticipated to come with a selection of potent and effective plug-in hybrid PHEV or hybrid engines, AWD, or all-wheel drive. It is perfect for adventures because of the Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC system, which guarantees excellent traction on a range of terrains.